love you.
No, that song is not a good song.
No. The first day, forget say 2K there. The first day where Energy played that song for me.
Yes, I
Ask Energy.
confuse
Mr.
that song with
Mr. Energy, the day where Energy played that song for me, I'm
Energy.
like,
Who be Energy?
my manager. That guy is a manager of managers.
That
guy, they move.
The guy, they move things.
He move things. He rep his name. His name na him name.
Now energy like power.
Energy.
He can sell anything.
If he sell you, Energy if he sell sand. Is it Energy go inside well? Come on water, sell the water, give well.
That's true, Mr. Energy.
Energy, leave that guy.
Energy
I don't want to say, man, Baba, now you too, Baba, you bad. He be like devil. When devil go to hear you, you can't go sin. Energy go feel sad for as devil. I tell you. Anyway, Leslie, before I come to Leslie, tell us, what did make you do that song?
Okay, the song, actually, the society.
No be like say, na very commercial song.
Yes.
Music. Now yours, normal.
Maybe Elegushi music.
Now you dey, brother.
Basically, the song actually, the society now inspire me, like our day-to-day life. The moral of life is not just the true thing where they happen, but some people they pretend they don't like better, but everybody for this life like better thing. We just want where the rules. We want to just get good life. So every day you find out say people want to. I would like to show you if you get something where I go feel benefit from. I would like to you to the both sides they benefit from each other at the end of the day. So relationships do like that as well, and then our life just do like that as well. Everything that happens, so I just get to try because.
Come be like say you dey think deep before you write this your song.
Not bien, you think
Because even from a name,
there's some kind of artists where we not feel like this. So make I not call them.
no call name.
Man, not call black.
Me and you and IzyBeatz know them.
We know them.
Yes.
I don't want begin call. Idris have the sorry. I don't want call name. You don't push me to call name.
No,
please.
I'm not pushing. I be energy. I know
Please.
the
Anyway, Leslie, tell us about wetin carry you, wetin make you begin big say okay, now beautician I want be.
Well, how you Igbo okay? You know sabi speak pidgin English. Where your husband from? Now Igbo you marry.
First of all, where you come from?
Abia State.
Abia State. Where for Abia State?
Where exactly in Abia?
I'm Okoye. You know Abia State.
I'm not quite
This guy
will go back. He said, please, please, I want to take bus to I'm not quite time. My sister, you go sleep there. 2 weeks.
Well, how you know sabi speak? I don't know.
But you sabi speak Igbo?
Yes, I sabi.
Speak Igbo. Speak Igbo. Okay.
I know sabi speak Igbo, abeg. I better pass.
So what is it?
So, come now. Where them born you?
I don't know.
America.
So all your life, where you live?
There.
No.
Here.
Nigeria and America.
So.
In the plenty part of your life, where you live?
Lagos.
Now you. Wait. My sister, leave that thing. I be one can do. Fornicacy. You get one girl, 2K. You get one girl, we come through here. Yoruba girl, we grow for Ibadan. She go Ibadan Poly. The girl, no, the inform say she not fit speak pidgin. Speak Yoruba. He say he not fit speak Yoruba. He can say her name folic acid. Say her auntie they call her folic acid. Folic acid.
No, that's the name of her cake business.
Her cake business. Folic acid.
Interesting.
Very interesting, my sister.
Very interesting.
Tell us, what did make you enter into say you want to become a beautician?
I want to do skincare.
Skincare.
I don't do beautician. I do skincare.
Okay,
skincare, cookie skin.
Wow.
So, I'm yellow, as you said.
Papa.
Color TV. Go on.
But I prefer. Okay, I'm going to.
Don't worry, speak anyone. I forgive you.
Thank you. I prefer, dark skin. The struggle is to have even skin tone. Everybody just wants to have even skin.
Oh, you want black as you did so?
I used to use tanning cream so that everything can be
black.
one color.
Okay,
one color.
okay.
Because as I live America, during winter time, I will look very white.
Okay.
And as I look myself for mirror, I don't like what's in the sea. So I go to use tanning cream so that I will become darker. And true. When I come to Nigeria during a holiday, people, they look at me, they'll be like, oh my God, I love your skin tone, I love your skin tone. They don't know, they'll ask me what cream am I rubbing. And I'm like, I don't rub any cream, I rub tanning cream so that everything can be one color, so that I can be like golden. So when I was making my...
We interview her husband.
Hey, I tell you, continue. We'll not talk anything.
No, nothing.
No. So when I didn't want to do my own, I was thinking, you know, people they tell me, say, if you don't put bleaching inside, nobody go buy them.
My
if
sister.
you know the bleach, nobody go buy them. People from Nigeria, they want bleach, they want bleach. You know, and I was thinking, I said, this thing is true. If this thing no fit turn you from dark to white,
Nobody go buy.
Nobody go buy them. I no fit charge 20,000. You know people where they make screen, they charge 20, 25,000. Seriously, they are making
60,000, 100,000.
Okay.
Small jar like this, they go tell you 50,000 and you go buy the whole thing. 50,000.
No, I'm like what in Tonto DK they use with that.
You go be yellow.
If that's not what in Tonto DK they use.
I don't know. Yeah.
Alex, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you?
I'm fine, Nedu. How is you?
My brother, are you with me?
I am with you.
You want collect Leslie?
No, my guy, Mr. 2K.
Oh, yeah, follow your guy, talk.
What's up?
Nedu, Mr. 2K.
Alpha.
Why you not talk about your song when I let me love your music, Waterside Boy?
Okay, that one.
But you still remember, you know, say that song na bomb now.
I remember.
If you do like saying they do never see here Waterside Boy. So let us not say Waterside Boy now.
Now fisherman now.
Now. I greet you perfectly.
Yes, boss. I hear you, Baba. I greet you perfectly.
Anyway, Alex, thank you very much. Ngwane, thank you. Oh, now,
Bisi say, I bet wait first. Bisi say, Nedu, I won't call this fine babe for my brother. He don't agree to drop all the millions of naira when he gets for this in Naija account. Ultimately, she say, I bet who be that girl? What's around beside 2K? If my sister, I won't marry the girl. I won't carry the girl with permission. Lord Dopino say, I bet me not tell that guy me shift. Nathan, don't answer you, please. Answer
Nathan, Nedu, now just one place there. Now just one place. Now just one place. Then take no get away bleach. Now that center of. Now 2K no more. Now 2K tell me no be say I know him.
G Money say that color if it makes sense, not be small. I beg go.
She don't marry you. Her husband they watch this show. He don't. You don't get two children. Girl, twins.
Girl, boy.
Girl boy.
Better thing.
Twins.
And person will see you now go to say you never do anything before.
My sister, stand up. No, look you.
Stand up.
Hi,
Catwalk go.
Cookie
body.
Cookie jar. Catwalk go come back.
See my life.
I don't go love
Catwalk. My sister. Hey, Jesus.
You see, what's the need to change?
She didn't come back. If I love you, if I love you. Now, see, you do like this. Hello, good evening. Before I come to your call, 2K, you be that group before. What make you come out for the group?
Not be like say I come on for group, but you know we just grow up, and then my other guy comes out to say, "In parents, no want time to do music."
Okay.
So he come say one face studies, and he don't do so well for himself right now. He don't get master degree and everything.
But he get money.
Get job.
Yeah, he get job. He dey work for Ibadan right now. He dey work for someone.
In they make, but the money where you dey make, it sure say you know they make that kind of money where you dey make in a week. I just say in a month they make that money.
No, everybody calling, come be like
he's doing good for himself. I must say he's doing really good.
But you money where you dey, but the thank you. Thank God say you talk money now. I be don't forget to ask you 25K to mix cream. How you?
Nedu see am.
I missed that one.
He say Sharon say Leslie Okoye my color. I beg you they make cream. If so, wetin be the name? Today, 2K you look dashing. I give me the name and how much. That's it.
So you see now, she don't say they mix cream.
I think
My sister.
I know they mix cream. I they sell cream.
No,
the
they
cream
can.
where they make, now me make them
Okay.
with skin doctor, 2 skin doctors.
Okay.
So you fit use the cream from now till you die. Nothing go happen to you. But the thing it go do for you now, it go bring out your own natural color. Now if you remove this your jacket and you look here.
Yes.
Now your natural color be this.
Yes.
For where?
You look here.
Oh, here, be?
Here.
On the
For
So
here.
they see my color, are yellow.
See me, a yellow.
A yellow.
Hey, Jesus.
A yellow.
Look at we yellow.
I'm yellow.
Hey, we are yellow,
Same thing. So women, you see, because they cover our legs all the time.
No, they rub your
Our
leg like
legs-
that. No, they rub your leg like that.
The leg, they.
Hey, they do like this now.
No, yours they show leg now.
Hey, Jesus.
Continue.
These are general original.
The leg, they more yellow than the rest of the body. You know, the part where they cover. So if you look that part, you see that's where your natural color is.
Okay.
You don't fit go lighter than that, unless, of course,
I
they
take your
nah,
number.
Assisted.
I take your number.
From Switzerland, good evening. Okay. First of all, good news from Kwara. Good evening. What is your good news?
Good evening, Nedu.
Are you with me?
Hey.
I am with you.
Ngwa, what is your good news?
Good news. Just to good news. The name now.
2K days I studio, Mr. Nuno Live better thing.
It's okay.
How far? I don't say lie about that thing.
I love that your music.
Try.
You want collect Leslie?
Better thing,
Keep
Davis.
it up. Keep it up. No, I'm talking about 2K.
Oh, you mean my brother Nakwara they come from now? I didn't in Abuja.
Not be nice. No, not be let's say.
Oh, you don't want Leslie? Fear they catch you?
No. Just let's keep up the duty.
Nice.
Okay, thank you. Good news. From Switzerland, good evening. Cindy.
Yeah, what's up, Nedu?
Oh, what's up?
Katim?
What's
Good
poppin'?
evening.
What's poppin'? Do American English. Yo, man, holla, what's going on, man?
Holla.
Oh, speak
I
American
want to
English.
holla my brother, 2K.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
I'm
I
fine.
know say be better thing, no. Your voice.
Wow.
Your
2K,
voice.
I'm a waterside girl. You
Are you
understand? I'm a
serious?
waterside boy too. You understand?
Waterside girl meet waterside boy.
I dey tell you, we got to go fishing together.
Cindy, you yellow?
Yellow, well.
You yellow like Leslie?
No, I'm not yellow like her, but I dey try.
But yellow, you see, Leslie, pass you.
I won't pass you.
Buy Leslie cream.
You dey use cookie skin.
You don't use cookie skin?
No.
My sister
have
go
to
look for
use
cookie
cookie
skin.
skin.
Go and look for cookie
If
skin.
you
If
know.
not, it's not nothing.
but wait.
2K is ambassador of cookie skin.
From today,
From today.
she go
You make music about it.
she go give me cream while I go run for my. See my color. See how it is.
Protect us well in the well.
Thank
No,
you,
Allah,
thank you.
Cindy, thank you very much. Good night.
No, but if person won't buy this cookie cream.
If person want do this, if person want get this cookie cream, how you go take get am?
Any Med Plus.
Okay, any Med Plus.
Any Med Plus with there around you. So Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu.
Okay.
Any
Med Plus or
Casabella. If you do Lagos, Ebano, also Casabella and Med Plus.
Okay.
So it's around.
Okay, if
Yeah,
person
in
want
my
follow,
office.
if person want
Like,
follow,
how much
because-
she be?
How much?
That's how much.
There are 6 different ones. So now between 6,500, 9,000.
Very cheap.
It's cheap now.
It's cheap.
And make it so everybody fits afford.
Just this five.
Just this time. My 2K.
People dey buy 60,000.
See, this our color must come outside.
I swear.
So
If that's not so we get from today, that's so we get the waka. That's so we get the waka.
Then I be woman, may I ask you, so if you use that cream now,
It will shine, trust me. If you look self-reviews, we day for internet. Unassisted though, not my website.
Okay,
but-
now
but
your Instagram for people to check. What will be all your social media handle?
my Instagram name,
Yeah.
cookie jam.
Miss MS Cookie Skin. So Miss Cookie Skin,
Okay.
MS Cookie Skin.
MS
Cookie
One word.
skin.
Yeah.
Now, okay, now for Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook,
On Twitter, Cookie Skin.
Cookie skin.
skin.
Yeah.
But for Instagram, MS Miss
So
Cookie
MS
skin. MS
yeah.
Cookie skin.
Yeah.
2K, they want follow you for Instagram and everywhere.
Very simple. Now just at Mr. Dot
Yes.
number 2
Yeah.
KAY.
Okay,
Simple.
Okay.
Simple. Then for Facebook, just Mr. 2K. Then Instagram at Mr_2K. Verified. Facebook verified, but not yet verified on Instagram.
They
For
dey snap
Snapchat,
name wey your papa and
for
mama
Oh,
Snapchat,
first of all, thank you.
for Snapchat, just Mr.2K11. You know.
What be the original money your papa give you?
Now Abiye David Jumbo.
Where the cake? Okay, na kerosene.
No,
It's your security boy.
I'm just a kerosene man. Hey,
I respect that man very well.
Anyway.
they go still do something together, two of them.
Double to
We don't
Alex.
do already. We don't do.
They don't do. Double. If you hear the song, If you hear the song.
This is my guy.
That was all left to the prettiest Leslie Okoye. Thank you, sweetheart, for coming. We don't kind of and then to Mr. 2K himself. We don't like better. All of them call thank you. Those of them who not take on a phone calls, make on a no vex. Tweet messages won't not read. Won't not read the book on now. No say, but who know MMA my bad girl so special.
If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.